Hello dear traders, you're watching the weekly review of financial markets with me, Anna Kasatkina. Last Friday, the US stock market finished its best quarter in nearly a decade. The S&P 500 closed at 2,834.40 on Friday, up by 13.1% for the first quarter of 2019. It is the strongest quarter for the index since the second quarter of 2009. The S&P 500 closed the week with a 1.2% gain. At the same time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to 25,928.68 on Friday. The Dow recorded a 1.5% weekly gain and rallied by 11.2% in the first quarter. The Nasdaq Composite Index, meanwhile, advanced to 7,729.32, posting a 1.1% weekly rise, while up by 16.5% for the first 3 months of the year. The first quarter of 2019 erased most of the losses posted during the previous one. Starting in January, the clouds that hung over the US economy and the financial markets began to clear up, with trade tensions between China and the US easing somewhat and the Federal Reserve recently signaling it's unlikely to raise rates at all this year. Among large-cap stocks in the S&P 500, some of the strongest quarterly gains were seen by chip makers such as Xilinx, AMD and Nvidia, up 50%, 43% and 35% respectively. For the week, shares of Nvidia lowered by 2.38%, closing at the level of $179.56 apiece. General Electric, which is undergoing a turnaround, gained 42% for the quarter, while Netflix advanced by 39%. Not all stocks enjoyed the broad-based rebound in January to March period. Kraft Heinz declined by 25% to $32.65 after slashing dividends in the wake of disappointing earnings, while drug maker Biogen fell by 21%. Macy's dropped by 19% and CVS Health fell by 18%, as large retail chains continue to struggle in the era of Amazon and e-commerce. And this was Weekly Financial Review on Insta TV. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.